Guys, just wait, wait. Okay. Wait, no, not this. Is this detail real and rare? This thing. Oh god. This thing that is smaller, that is bigger than the others. These are like rare. 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 Yes. Yes, let's go. I will also call this electric build because it electrifies. And then go. But you know, is even more electrifying. Not horrifying, electrifying. Am. A literal am. Or what's even more electrifying than the amp, is that is the surge crystal. Wait, where is the surge crystal though? I accidentally spent. Wait, we find the surge crystal. Look at girl, look there. Surge crystal. I mean, yes! Let's go. Bruh. But I'll take it. Let's go. But I need spikes. But I already got one. Only 3. Oh wait, I already have 5. Let's equip it. Equip. Only have that amount of health, but that's okay. Alrighty, let's go. Let me test this build, the electrifying build. Did something go off? What the? Is that rare? It's an X. X marks that spot actually. Oh. Yo, this is instant kill. Yo, this is... Oh. Oh, try to grab me. Grab me. Oh, grab me. Bruh. Bro could not grab me. Oh. Oh, this is too easy. I literally need to leak the magnetic update. Oh god, ouch. Oh, that's a lot of world number. And let's go. Whee! Ah, let's go. Two-geared, but not. But I want the magnetic area. Ah. Let down the star. Let down the star. And let's go. Let's go. Nope. Let's go. Evan. Oh, I cannot reach him. Oh, there we go. Oh, I saw that. Grab me. No, I instantly kill him. Not even grabbing me cannot defeat me. I am the final boss team. But when I have the red core filler, I will become the entire team. But first, I need to find Spectrum from Spec. He usually spawns. In Sector 2 or Sector 3, he spawns in Sector 2 or Sector 3. 3. Let's go. Spectrum. Why I did that song. Spectrum. Electrifying build. Electrifying build. I don't know. No Spectrum. Oh, is that Spectrum? Spectrum Amy. Nope, that was just a dreadnought. Nope, don't hear him. So we don't have Spectrum and stuff. So how did I take that much damage? That's a lot. Hey, Brian, you got. Oh, there's Spectrum. It's small. Oh, it's small. That means Sector 2 must to be big. We are in Sector 1. This is not a big place. Spectrum might be around Sector 2 or Sector 3. I am... Nope. No Spectrum. Spectrum. Sector 2 Spectrum. Nope, no Spectrum. I don't hear Spectrum. Oh, I can. Let's go. Sector 3. There must be Spectrum. There should be a Spectrum up there. Like, never mind. Nope, no Spectrum. And that was it? Yo, why is Sector 3 so small? Okay. Oh, it's only drinks, okay. Might get a magnetic or everything magnetic. Oh. Well, already good. No, I swim so slow. I swim so motionless. And you swim more motionless. Oh, lily pads. Those look like lily pads. Pads. Boom. Kaboom. So, I need to climb up the ladder. The ladder there. There. Bro, nothing cannot touch me. Except for the bullets of the enemies. Except I kill them in time before they strike a bullet. And Overcurve says the tunneler and the drill now predicts me. Oh, they predict you up ahead. Okay. Or back. Oh my god. Double kill. I might one-shot the boss. I ain't going anywhere until I get okay. Is easier. Oh my god. No. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Don't have any bombs, bruh. Dum. Okay, that should be enough health. Oh, now I'm untouchable wall. Wait, I just restarted when I was at the end. Are you kidding me, bruh? I should have done that when I got chest. Okay. Oh wait, this is the pick. This is the pick, yeah. The pick is a brand new. Wait. Oh wait, this should be my profile pick. Okay, that's my profile pick. I'm going to change my profile picture when I end the video. But I am tired from sleeping, so I'm just gonna end the video with